Meteorologist Helen Holt with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
Helen, it was hot, hot, hot for the better part of the week. Today, though, not bad.
Yeah, I had lunch outside and I didn't feel completely awful outside.
Yeah.
Even though on Saturday, I'm sure everybody who was even down by the beach felt how bad it felt.
It was hot.
Yeah.
It's just hot.
And unfortunately, I don't really have great news to tell everybody that the heat's kind of going to stick around for a few more days. Today, 90 degrees, right on par where we should be for this time of year, and we didn't pick up any rainfall. Didn't even see any isolated showers fire up along the sea breeze. So overall, a great day of weather, and mainly over the whole weekend, we've had some nice weather. Today being the different of the 2 days this weekend because we had a cold front move through last night that cooled down our temperatures. We've cooled down to ever so slightly to the upper 70s, so it still feels quite muggy as you walk outside. 78 degrees for Lumberton, 78 for Elizabethtown, down in Whiteville, 77 degrees. Here in the Port City, we're sitting at 78 degrees. Storm Track 3 radar have some clouds moving in from the northwest. Otherwise, rain-free skies to end out our Sunday. But we are tracking this area of circulation. Notice disorganized showers and cloudiness. This is actually Invest 92. Only has about a 10% chance of development, but it is recognized by the National Hurricane Center, has sustained winds at 30 miles per hour, moving east at 8 miles per hour. Look at the models of its projected path. Even if it does develop into anything, won't have any impact here in southeastern North Carolina. So overall, good news as we're heading through the 2015 Atlantic hurricane season. But it's going to be a stormy start as we head into this new work week, as we have an area of low pressure inland and high pressure offshore. So where these two boundaries are meeting, that is southeastern North Carolina. So we have a potential for strong to severe storms, especially late Tuesday, and whatever heat that we do get, and it looks like it's going to be building over the next couple of days, that's just going to add to our instability. So we'll start out pinpoint futurecast. This is tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock. Have those clouds around, temperatures waking up into the middle to upper 70s. The afternoon hours, this is lunchtime as you're heading out to get lunch. Have in mind, you might see some storms already starting to fire up. Temperatures near 90 degrees tomorrow, but by 6 o'clock as you're making your way home from work, notice we're seeing those darker reds in there. That's indicating those heavier rainfall totals. So have that in mind. You're going to have to stay weather aware over the next couple of days, even on Tuesday, starting out dry. Afternoon going to be a different story. And look at the temperatures. Going to be much warmer on Tuesday as they're going to get well into the 90s. Same case for the inland locations. Might be hitting those upper 90s. And then late Tuesday, seeing all those storms firing up, those darker reds indicating those heavier totals. So Storm Prediction Center has that enhanced risk for areas to the north of us tomorrow, but for us, we're going to be on that marginal risk. And I think the biggest threat is going to be the wind gust. But notice as this area of low pressure gets closer to us, that bullseye gets closer to us. So we'll have this slight risk for severe weather on Tuesday. And I think the biggest risk will be large hail and even possibly for a tornado. Can't completely rule it out. Lows tonight going to be into the 70s. A stray shower, but I think any activity will not be any player into our forecast tonight. Partly cloudy skies, and for the day tomorrow, partly sunny. Those scattered storms developing. South winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures going to be pretty normal for this time of year at 90 degrees, and if you're heading out to the beaches, probably do it early. That's the best chance not have to deal with any rain. So the next 7 days, very stormy start to our work week. 40% chance tomorrow and Tuesday, 50% chance for Wednesday. So this is a great time to download our Storm Track 3 weather app.
Indeed.
And so you stay weather aware.
All right, thank you, Helen.
No problem.
Sports is next on News.